Here we are at Papa's house again. I don't know if I'm in the picture or not, but remember we looked at some baby bird eggs, Jackson, a while back? Well, when we're done, we're going to go see how they're doing, and then we'll see what Busha's doing over there. See her over there by the truck? So let's go look at the baby birds. Remember, it was in the wreath. That's right, the wreath. See there, it's hanging on the side of the house. I don't know. Well, the mama bird's not there. She must be getting some food because there is a little baby bird. Hi, baby bird. He's a little nervous, I think. So Papa will just get back a little bit. So we don't want the mama to get nervous, do we? No. So, it looks like the eggs hatched. Let's go see what Busha's doing.